Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tom in Pennsylvania on this Ranger TRE-797. Tom, got it ready to go for you, bud? I really like these radios. They're almost identical to the Galaxy 979 inside, and like his little brother, the 959, just crystal clear audio. Not a big fan of how bright this light is here. You can dim it down there, so we'll do that real quick. This thing's rocking and rolling. I know I sent you a couple private clips of the before, how low it was on power, so let's just get right to it on the AM side first. And we're going to turn your RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. And let's mute the monitor radio. I always check out everything very last with the monitor radio to make sure it sounds good. I rely on my instruments, then I also want to hear a real world test. So 5 watts, or 5-watt slug all the way down, a little bit less than a watt. 5 watts all the way up. 50-watt slug in average power, and if you remember before, it was only swinging forward 1 watt of bird average. Let's check it out now. Oh, so now we're swinging to 17 bird. Peak power, 50-watt slug. Hello, 35 peak. We did put the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET in it, as well as the voltage regulator upgrade. Both of them mainly for durability. We did pick up a couple watts. 50-watt slug right here in sideband. Hello, 1, 2, hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A nice little 32 clean watts. All right, Tom, it's ready to come to you. I think I'm going to start stocking these rigs. No, they don't have a frequency counter, but you don't need a frequency counter. Not when you can just turn the clarifier and dial somebody right in. Tom, hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.